Hellcat that got possessed by the demon. My 2021 900 can now, you know what I'm saying? That's my baby, you know what I'm saying? That's my toy, you know what I'm saying? And I got my 2022 customized by me, Redeye. Like, comment, subscribe, be a part of the family. You finna get lit. Get ready to do an oil change, y'all, boy. I got one, and I got 6 more, and now it takes 7. Let's go. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this. Come on, bro. It don't get no better than this. Like, just looking at this engine, just like, put a whole smile on my face. Like, give you a whole different feeling inside, man. I swear. It's worth it, man. It's worth it. I'm telling y'all, letting y'all know. It's worth it, man. Grind for it, grind for whatever you want, whatever kind of car you desire. Scat, Hellcat, Redeye, anything, Lamborghini, all that, bro. Just grind for it, you know what I'm saying? No matter when you get it, just wait for it, you know what I'm saying? Just go for it, go for it, go for it. Don't stop, just grind, 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 grind. Boy, it's so hot outside, it gotta be like 100. Gotta be 100. Hey, man. It's a good day to be outside, though. It's hot. It's a good day to be out here, though. I'm finna get blacker, man. Come on, bro. It gotta be like 100 out here. It's a good day to be out here with the Hellcat, though. You know what I'm saying? That Redeye. You know what I'm saying? Hellcat that got possessed by the demon. Y'all know my slogan already. Stop playing. You know what I'm saying? If anybody else using it, you know where it came from. Come on, man. We setting trends, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y'all help me get around. Help y'all get around. We gonna expand. But yeah, just did this oil change, man. I mean, I'm finna do an oil change. You know what I'm saying? Have that fresh oil in there. Then we gonna hit the streets. How y'all like? We gonna cut up. Finna make a movie. You know what I'm saying? All right, I got it up on the ramps, man. This motherfucker need a wash though. I ain't gonna lie. As soon as I'm done with this oil change, we definitely doing a wash. Yeah, we washing ASAP. Motherfucker filthy. Alright, bro. I'm under here finna change the oil. And look what I see. It's a rock stuck inside the oil cover. The engine cover. And that had to happen, y'all, when I was in Orlando. And I was like riding. And we was like, I was with these other like Hellcats and stuff. And I was riding. And then somebody had hit a rock. And then I had came right behind them. I had hit it too. But when it went under our cars, it was like tumbling and shit. And it was like a big ass rock like this here. But a piece of it, when it hit, it must have, a piece of it got stuck in here. I know that's what it is. That's the only time I actually hit something under the car. But I put my hand behind it. It don't look like it actually hit nothing. It's just a piece of rock. But I'm finna take it off and see y'all. Make sure she okay. I got the whole bottom off. It look clean under here. I mean, it is brand new, but I'm just saying, like, I got the whole bottom off, the whole bottom pan. So I'm gonna show y'all the oil and shit. I'm gonna show y'all the oil. It says already leaking out or whatever, but I gotta do this fast. I know it's hot. And I gotta catch the boat at the same time. This boat is hot as shit. I'm trying to hurry up. Catch the boat card, catch the boat card. Catch the boat. Don't be scared of that hot oil. This boat is long as fuck, man. Alright, come on, it's coming, hold on. Ah, got it. And I moved it just in time. Alright, I'm gonna get back at, look how dark it is. But I'm gonna get back with y'all, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna drain the oil cooler next. Alright, I'm gonna get back. Alright, I'm draining the oil cooler now. Bro, I gotta loosen it up some more. It's hard to get this one for real. It's the oil cooler. This one's a little hard to grab, man. Let's do this one. Alright, this one definitely gonna get on my hand, bro. I feel it. Just loosen it up. Come on, car, pull it. Pull it, pull it. Hold on. Alright, come on. Pull it. Come on. Got it. Gotcha. Gotcha. Look at that. Dirty oil. Oh yeah. That good fresh oil up in here, y'all. Remember last time I did forget to do that. Now I'm doing it. I don't want nobody hear nobody say nothing about it. So yeah, I put the engine cooler cover back on, you know what I'm saying, with the brakes, you know what I'm saying, deflectors on there to get that air to cool down the brakes or whatever. But I got the engine cover right here, just showing y'all the rock that went. That's why it's a good thing they got that protector right there. I always put that protector back on because that could be damage to your engine right there. The rock stopped it. I mean, the engine cover stopped it. The rock from ever going in. It's crazy. You know what I'm saying? And just imagine how hard that would have hit my engine, you know? Like it broke through this strong plastic, you know what I'm saying? So always make sure you put that back, always. All right, y'all, I'm finna start refilling it up with the fresh oil. I'm gonna speed it up so y'all ain't gotta wait on me. I think my neighbor in her garage crying. All right, man. Put this lid back on. You know what I'm saying? We done, man. Treat her nice, man. Pamper that baby. You gonna dog out, you gotta treat her right, man. Alright, man, I'm finna reset the life on it. Shit. Engine on. They say go to the oil life. Oil life, press and hold K to reset. Hold K to reset. I'm holding OK. Bro. Wait. Oh, okay. I had it on ignition, not run. Gotta have it on run to reset the oil life. Alright, come on. Hold OK. Alright, one more, I think. Alright, boom. Oil life at 100%. That's how y'all do that right there. Now I gotta crank her up. And back her up out these ramps. Wait, I should let the hood alright. I just need to back it up real quick. Hold on. And I did that. Alright. And that Redeye is on the ground, man. Sound good. Let it run for a little while. Heat up that oil. We're gonna listen to it. Alright, oil is cooperating. You know, it was at like 140 when I looked at it. I don't know where it started at, but yeah, it was cool. Oil getting hotter. You know, nice. Y'all see it just went to 149. It was at 147. Yeah, so did a good job. And let's not to forget, I changed my own oil, do it by myself, and I do an excellent job. Practice takes perfect. You gonna get it, you know what I'm saying? So look, you can be charging somebody one day. I don't look to charge nobody, you know what I'm saying? I just want to work on my own car. I ain't trying to work on nobody else's stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I'm saying, if you want to, you can, you know what I'm saying? YouTube teach you everything. They always teach me everything, you know what I'm saying? So hey, and I work on my car, you know what I'm saying, just so I can make sure this stuff is getting done properly, you know what I'm saying? So because I know how I ride my car and stuff, and they need to be treated nice and right, you know what I'm saying? So, hey. Now, what's up, bro? You good? Chillin'. What you be up to?
Not much.
For real?
Yeah.
I be doing YouTube and shit. Hey, what? Like, you be on social media and shit still?
Yeah.
You do? Damn, what you be on Instagram? Because I don't got this shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter.
What you be like? What you be doing on that bit? Nothing. You be chilling on it? Yeah. I was finna say, I'm like trying to tap in with you some shit, like, you know what I'm saying? You ever like drove one of these bitches before?
No.
A Hellcat or something? I often say, like, you know what I'm saying? Like I'll let you drive like this bit or something, like to do a YouTube video or some shit like that. You into it?
Well, what type of YouTube video?
I'm saying, like, getting your reaction of this motherfucker, like, you know what I'm saying?
Sure, alright. Well, what your YouTube look like?
That bit, Life of Car, you got your phone? Yeah, just go to it. I just started doing that shit like 3 months ago. My shit like already going up and shit like that. That bit, Life of Car. There's a person right there.
Let me get my instrument.
Alright. Hey man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, share my shit, man.